Morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, now as you know, we are doing the second poem in English, right? And in my previous videos, I had completed all the grammar topics, right? I had completed the grammar topics. And then I had also given you the worksheets related to the grammar topic for your activity to be done at home. Yes or no, students? Okay. Now, today what we will be doing is that we will be continuing with the exercises of the course book. There are many activities in your course book also, like I observe, I extend, think and reflect, I link. Yes or no? There are many such activities in your course book also. After every chapter, if you open your English course book, if you read all the chapters, you must have seen that after all the lessons there are these exercises like I link, I observe, yes or no, I extend, I feel, I learn for life, yes or no. All these exercises are there in the course book. Okay, so now we have completed the poem. We have completed the I understand section, that is all the exercises, blanks and question answers we have already discussed. Then we have completed the grammar part also, and now we will be doing the exercises of the course book. Okay, so first of all we will be doing the think and reflect section of your course book. So let's see what is there in the think and reflect exercise. Okay, students, as you know, we are doing the 11th part of the second poem. That means this is the 11th video. Okay, now let's see the exercises of the course book. Okay, students, so you can see now this is the think and reflect section that we are going to do first. This is page number 10. Okay, it is on page number 10 of your English course book. So now this is all like activities, and this has to be done by you. I will only be discussing how to do the exercises. Okay, I will just discuss with you that how you have to do it and what you have to exactly do. I will just give a brief explanation, and then you have to do it on your own in your English notebook. Okay, students. Now see, first of all there is the think and reflect section. Okay, now in this there are two questions given and you have to answer them. Now this is think and reflect. That means you have to think and answer it. You have to think on your own and answer it. Okay, students. So this is according to your thinking. What do you think about the question? Okay. Now see the first one. I will just read the question first. How do you express your love to your mother or father? Now you saw in this poem. This poem is about how you should show your love to your parents, right? I had explained to you. You can show it by helping them. Okay. You can show it by doing some things for them. You can show it to your parents by caring for them. So now you have to write, how do you express your love to your mother and father? Now you all stay with your parents, right? So in this answer, you know what you have to write? How do you express your love to your mother or father? What do you do for your mother and father to show your love? What all things you do at home? So that you have to write in this answer. Okay, students. So understood what you have to write? You have to write what things do you do for your mother and father to show your love to them. Did you understand? It's very simple. Now see the second one. Why do you think Fan stepped softly when she picked up the broom to clean the room? Okay, now you know that Fan. Okay, little Fan. She had put the baby to sleep. Okay, she was the only one who was helping her mother. She put her baby to sleep. Then after that, you know what? She was going to clean the room. She was taking the broom to clean the room. So that time she stepped very softly. She stepped very softly means she was walking with very quiet steps. She was walking very quietly and slowly. So in this answer, what you have to write? That why she was walking slowly, why she stepped softly. Why did Fan step softly? Okay, so you have to write the answer, that why was she walking slowly. It is also very simple. If you see my previous video, I have explained to you in that. So you can again watch my video, okay, in what I have explained in the poem. Then you will come to know that why did she step softly. Okay, so very simple this activity. Think and reflect. You have to write your answers. Okay, you can write in 1 line, 2 line. You can even write a big answer if you want. Okay, you can write according to your wish. Okay, students, so understood what to do? You can write it in your English notebook. Okay. Okay, now we have done the think and reflect section. Now after that you have to take your application book, students, and see. You have to take out page number 1515. Can you see the page number 1515? So after the think and reflect section, the next thing you have to do is this worksheet. Worksheet 2.3. Okay, now what is there in this worksheet? I will just explain. There is a letter from a daughter to her mother. Okay, so a daughter is writing a letter to her mother. Okay, and you have to read the letter and then you have to answer the questions. You have to answer the questions, means these questions are asked from the letter only. So I will just read it to you so that you understand it clearly and then you can do it on your own. Okay. Dear mother, I hope you are well. It has been 5 days since you left to look after Aunt Maria. I hope she is feeling better now. Okay. So why she is writing a letter to her mother? Because her mother has gone for 5 days. Where she went, she went to her auntie's house. She went to that she went to the girl's auntie's house. So the girl was at home and her mother had gone alone. Her mother had gone alone. Why? Because her auntie was not feeling well. The girl's auntie was not feeling well. So the girl's mother, she went to stay to look after her auntie. And the girl was at home only. The girl did not go with her mother. That is why the girl is writing a letter. And how many days had passed? She went, it was already 5 days. Okay. So the girl is asking her mother, I hope she is better now. So now she is asking, I hope that auntie is better now. We all miss you a lot. Things are not the same at home without you. So now you know what the girl is telling, what the daughter is telling to her mother, that we all miss you a lot. So she is writing in a letter that everybody in the family is missing you. Things are not the same at home without you. Now she is telling that everything is different. Now you are not there, so everything has changed in the house. You are not there, so everything has changed in the house. Father has been making breakfast and also packs my lunch box. So now the mother is not at home. So who is making breakfast? Every day the daughter's father has been making breakfast and he also packs my lunch box. So he also packs her lunch box for school. Okay, she goes to school. So her father only packs her lunch box and he also makes breakfast. On Tuesday, he forgot to give me the sandwich he made for me. Now on Tuesday what happened? Father had made sandwich for the lunch box and he forgot to give it. And he forgot to give the lunch box to the girl. The next day I forgot my water bottle at home. And the next day what she forgot? The water bottle. She forgot to take her water bottle. So you can see the mother is not there. So it is so difficult. Yes or no? Otherwise when the mother is there, the mother takes a lot of care. She does not forget to give you your lunch box, your water bottle, your things. She does everything properly. But now the girl's mother was not there. So she was forgetting everything at home. Father said that we are coming to meet Aunt Maria next week. So now the father said that they will also go where their mother has gone. They will also come to see the auntie, Aunt Maria. They will also come to see Aunt Maria next week. I'm so excited that I will see you and will be able to hug you tightly. So now the daughter is very excited that she will be able to see her mother and she will also hug her very tightly. She will also give her a tight hug. Please give my love to Aunt Maria. Then the daughter is telling that give my love to Aunt Maria and I hope she gets well soon. Now the daughter is also saying that I hope she gets well soon. Lots of love to you, Jane. Now what is the daughter's name? Jane. So Jane is writing the letter to her mother. Okay. So in this she has explained that it is so difficult to stay without her mother. Okay. Okay, now see. Now these questions are given to you below. Exercise A. You have to write the answers to this questions. I will just read the question. Who is writing the letter and to whom? So you have to write in this who is writing the letter and to whom the letter is written. Why did mother have to travel? Means why did the mother go? Okay, why did the mother go from the house? Why did she go to Aunt Maria's house? So that you have to write here. Number 3, what has happened to Aunt Maria? Then you have to write that what has happened to Aunt Maria. Number 4, what did father forget to do? So it is written in the letter that what did father forget to do? Okay, now these are the 4 questions. Now the next 5th one is on the next page. Okay, the next question is on the next page. That is 5th one. What are father and Jane planning? So now it is given that what are father and Jane planning? Where are they planning to go? Okay, so these are your 5 questions of the exercise A. And in B, what you have to do is, how would Jane's language change if she was speaking to mother over the phone? Read the letter again, use the same idea and write the dialogues for the phone conversation between Jane and her mother. So you know what you have to do in this. Now in the previous exercise you saw that Jane had written a letter. She had written a letter, yes or no? In olden days people used to write letter, but now there are mobile phones. Now nobody writes letters, everybody talks on the phone. So now you know what you have to write. You have to imagine that Jane is talking to her mother on the phone. You have to imagine that Jane is talking to her mother on the phone. So you have to write how she is talking to her mother. Okay, you have to write their conversation, means what they are talking with each other. You have to write it in this space given. Okay, so now this is not a letter, now this is a conversation. You have to talk how they are talking to each other, what they are talking to each other. How is Jane talking to her mother? That you have to write. Okay, that same things you have to write. Whatever is given in the letter, that same things you have to write, but you have to write, you have to imagine that Jane is talking to her mother on the phone. So please try and write this, okay, this conversation. And all this work should be done in pencil, student. Okay, whenever you are doing the worksheet work, please do it in pencil. Okay. Okay students, so we have completed the exercises of the course book. Okay, we have completed a few exercises of the course book, and I have also given you the activity. Okay, think and reflect. We have done today think and reflect section, and then we have done also a worksheet. Okay, we have also done a worksheet, right? Now in the next video we will be doing the remaining exercises. Okay, like the I link, I extend, I observe. So we will be discussing those exercises in our next video. Okay, so please do the worksheets properly, and please try to write on your own. Okay, if you write on your own, then you will learn in a better way. You will know your mistakes. Okay, after the school reopens, of course we will be correcting your books. So please try to write on your own. You can take the help of anybody also in your house, but if possible, first write on your own. Okay, try on your own. Okay students, so thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.